Hi guys, welcome to Shay and Isaiah. I'm Shay.
And I'm Isaiah. So before we start today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome. But if you're returning, welcome back, and we hope you enjoy another video with us.
We post every Wednesday and Saturday, so make sure you subscribe our channel and turn on notification. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. So what are we doing today?
So today's video is
all about noodles.
Yeah. So it's all the noodles from the
Thai snack
boxes that we get.
So there's like two kinds. So this is a one brand. The Nessin. These are not the lobster. The shrimp, and then this one is a
stir-fried curry sea crab.
Yeah, this is a tom yum shrimp paste creamy sauce. So this is one brand. Another one is Oriental Kitchen. This is a carbonara vegan.
And this one is a stir-fried salted egg.
Yeah, I'm excited about all of them.
I'm excited about it.
So we're gonna go make all these and then be back. Okay guys, so we are back. So we have all the noodles already, and we're gonna mix in front of you guys so you guys can see what's inside the pack. So we're gonna go with these two.
So there are two kinds of noodles. There's the
one is a little bit yellow, yellower, and then one's like white.
Yeah.
So here is the pack. Oh, I need to go get. Oh, here it is. Grab the scissors.
You have that one. I have this one.
Okay. So
she is
here is I'm doing the tom yum shrimp paste creamy sauce noodle.
And I have the stir-fried curry sea crab.
So here's the paste, and then there's the seasoning bag. So I'm gonna put both.
Paste, seasoning.
Trying to pick it out. Okay. And here is our.
This seasoning is clear. I don't know what color yours is. Or this paste is clear.
Are you sure it's coming out?
It's all already out.
Oh.
But it was clear.
So I'm gonna. Here it is. I'm gonna mix it well. Really good. Really good. This looks yummy already that I can see without tasting yet. So here I mix as well. And I'm gonna mix the other one. So I'm gonna take the salted egg. So this is a stir-fried salted egg. Why are you tasting her? You're not supposed to.
I got on my finger. So this one is done. So now I am going to mix the.
So as it is, it's like a I think there's a little oil. And then the seasoning pack.
I'm gonna switch it around this time.
What do you mean? Switch it around?
I'm gonna put the seasoning in first. And
then you're just copying me.
Because last time it's kind of hard to mix with the oil already there.
No, I was fine. I want to taste the seasoning, but I'm not breaking the rule. So this is like an egg yolk. And I think this is a salty egg, yeah. We need a big bowl like the other one. Oh, I can smell it. Can you smell it?
Mm.
It's like a really, really like a yummy egg smell that I got it.
I smell bacon and cheese.
I'm gonna really like thoroughly mixing it, so all the noodle gonna get all the flavors. And I don't want to break the fork too. While I'm like showing it, like I'm gonna break this fork.
This one's a little bit harder to mix.
Yeah, it is. Smell really good. Yep. So they are all ready. Yep.
I guess this one's
You want me
ready.
to help you?
No, I can't tell. I think it's good.
So yeah, we're gonna try it. Which one you want to start trying it?
This
Can I get a paper towel? Which one?
the bacon carbonara.
Okay. You can see the little bacon pieces. Follow that.
You don't want to waste it. How is it?
It is so good.
Mmm.
It is so good. As you can taste the cheese and
There's
then
a
bacon. It is really good.
That is so good.
So we rate this one 10 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't think we can find it here, but you can definitely able to find it at the Thai snack box.
Mm-hmm.
I will put the link like here, and then I will put it in the under the video, so you can just go through the link and then buy it there.
It's so definitely. Oh
Yeah.
my goodness, it's so good.
It is so good.
Because I could smell the cheese, but when you taste it, it's like totally different.
Yep. So which one next? This one?
Whichever one you which one do you want?
The egg one. They're a little sticky.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe like I need the help from this.
Yeah, I think it's maybe.
Maybe what?
I don't know.
Maybe what?
I can't tell it.
What?
Because it's good like this, but I don't know, like maybe just a little bit of water or something might help keep it less sticky.
Maybe it's the way it is. This one's a little bit spicy, but you can tell you're eating the salted egg. It's tasty. It's very tasty.
It is definitely a little spicy though.
It just tastes good. I love it. So I also give this one as a 10 out of 10 as well. How about you? I know it's so spicy for you, but it tastes good.
It does taste good. I give it like a 9.5 out of 10 just because it's spicy.
But if you don't like it spicy, like maybe you shouldn't try this. But tastes like really good. Okay, now I'm excited about the. I don't know. This one is. Oh, this one's mine. The tom yum shrimp. The tom yum shrimp one. I won't say it yet. I will let you eat. This one's like actually like the noodle and then the tom yum soup. It really tastes good. It is very spicy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is very spicy. But it tastes very, very good. I give it 10 out of 10 this one too.
I give it a 9 out of 10 just because it's a little spicy.
Yeah, but you can definitely able to taste the tom yum
Yeah,
flavor.
definitely. First, like as soon as it hits your tongue, you can taste it.
Yeah.
So, and this one is the sea crab curry.
Yeah.
This one is the stir fried curry sea crab.
Okay, you can leave it for me. I got a 1 bite. Are you just like putting 3 bites?
Because it's falling apart. This one is good. You can taste the seafood.
This is not spicy.
This one's not spicy, so it's a 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
But it tastes really good.
And then the portions are like good for like individual. It's just like not too much, not too little. It's a good size. So like if you're like and then they are easy to make. We just boil the water and then mix it. That's a really good. It's just like what? For like 5 minutes.
Yeah, like 5 minutes.
Yeah. Like everything like 5 minutes ready. So which is really good. So among all 4, which one is your best?
The bacon one.
Okay.
Which one is your favorite?
It's hard to tell. I love. Can I say all of them?
No, you have to pick one.
I will pick the shrimp. Oh, it's not a shrimp. This is a lobster one. Yeah, I will pick the. Wait. I will pick the shrimp one. Oh, the shrimp one.
This is salted egg.
Yeah, I will pick the shrimp. This tom yum shrimp. It's like you can taste the tom yum. It's so good. Yeah. So these are all for today. Hope you guys enjoy, and we will see you guys in the next video.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.